Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1997 Toyota LandCruiser. It is 4x4. It has the 3.4 liter V6 gasoline engine. It does come with an automatic transmission. It also comes with 100,150 original miles. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched that out. The lights do go away. Alright, this vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. So that number that you're seeing up top, 161,177. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 100,150. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We will go ahead and start with the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. If you have any questions, we will be happy to answer them for you. I did want to tell you guys, thank you so much for the continual support. We really do appreciate it. It does mean a lot to us. I pray y'all have a blessed and safe day.